discuss and remind you of the order of operations. A term that you may remember, maybe you don't, is the order of operations. We use this PEMDAS. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Just a mnemonic device that's going to help you remember the order of our mathematical operations. The P stands for parentheses. The E stands for exponents, the little powers that we see. We have to deal with those next. Then we deal with multiplication and division. I leave these on the same level because they need to be performed as equals. Same with addition and subtraction. They're performed in order from left to right. So let's give you a scenario of an expression to simplify. Maybe pause the video so that you can copy down this expression. The first thing we need to deal with is the parentheses. Now there are two sets. There's the longer set and the smaller set. The first thing we're going to deal with is the inner parentheses. So this 6 minus 2, I'll deal with that first. That would become 4. Now I have to deal with, inside these parentheses, I'm going to deal with this exponent. Power 2. So 4 to the second power. A lot of students think this means 4 times 2. But this means 4 times 4, which would leave us with 16. Now we have this inner set of parentheses. I've got addition here and multiplication here. Multiplication is above addition, so I need to deal with the 3 times 16 first. That would give me 48. Still trying to get rid of these parentheses in order. Now I can do this addition. 8 plus 48 will leave me with 56. Now we have to deal with the multiplication and division from left to right. So we're going to do this multiplication first, 7 times 2. Then we'll take care of 54 divided by 4. And after that, we'll multiply it by 2. So 7 times 2, 14. 56 divided by 4, 14. Now we can multiply the 14 times 2. Gives us 28. We do our final operation of adding, and we get a solution of 42. Now, this is all fine and dandy if you want to do it by hand. And think about it. You can also use a calculator to type this in. Use this Desmo scientific calculator to help you. It is functional. It lets you see what you are typing. I want you to avoid the Apple calculator at all costs. So if we were to just type this in, 7 times 2 plus, we can start using our parentheses, and I can type it in exactly how we see it to see if our solution checks out. Now, if you need to square a number, this little button here helps you square it. Now I can close that parenthesis set, and I need to divide that by 4. Now, I don't want to put the times 2 right now because I'm just dividing this whole solution, this whole parentheses, by 4. So I need to go out here to multiply my times 2, and our answer checks out. If you click this little blue button, it keeps track of whatever you had just typed. And let's say you're in a problem and you need to use this answer. This button right here, if you hit that, now I don't have to type in 42, but let's say I had to do 42 times 6 minus 3, I don't know. Now we've got our new solution, and we can keep hitting this blue button to keep our new answer, if I hit that button, would now be 249. So a little feature that you'll get as you get used to this calculator. So your task, click the link on the assignment page, Desmo Scientific Calculator. Bookmark that page. So if I were to click this, this is what it looks to bookmark a page. You hit the star, I'll put it in your bookmarks, hit done, and now it'll stay in your bookmark list forever. Or option 2, download the Scientific Calculator app on your phone. And 3, make sure you avoid that Apple calculator always. It doesn't help you keep track of your negatives. It doesn't help you see what you typed in. You just have to be paying attention. So at least the scientific calculator will help you see what you're typing in.